Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to turn on or turn off email notifications on eBay. You can open your Gmail application and open any email from eBay. Go for it, and you can tap this three dots button and block ebay.com, and that means that you will not receive any emails from eBay. But also you can go to eBay application, navigate to my eBay section, scroll down and enter settings, and here find notifications, and go to general, and you can disable this push notifications. But here is a little note that if you disable this, then it means that no notifications, you will receive no notifications at all. So not only for Gmail, but in general notifications. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.